What's going on, YouTube? This video is for the VQ owners, 350Zs, G35s, the DE model. If you guys are having issues starting the car, if your check engine light's on, your slip light is on, and your traction control system light is on, and you're trying to figure out what the hell's going on, you check your starter's good, your alternator's good, spark plugs, battery, all that stuff is good. One thing that you guys should check, and it's an issue with a lot of people that have 350Zs and VQs, is the position sensors. Let me get a light on. So I already unbolted one of them. So if you look at the position, the location, it's that green one right there, and it's right next to that 10mm bolt right there. So I already unscrewed it, and it's already, but I just want to show you guys where it would be. See, the sensor goes into the body of the engine itself. So if you were to pull that out, okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, and how you release this is this tab, you push in. Let me see if I can kind of like that. See, it kind of moves. You push in, and at the same time you pull the sensor. Damn, I can't. Let me pull it out real quick. Oh, pull out game on point. Yeah. So it came off, and that's what it looks like. But there is another one. Where's my magnet? The other one. So it's located kind of under the throttle body and the neck of the plenum. Let's see if I can get right there. Okay, let me get my magnet. It's this fucker right here. This one. This one's a little harder to get to, only because of the lack of space. As you can see, everything's in the way. How I got it out before, this is actually my second set of sensors. I keep buying cheap fucking sensors from Amazon. Is I get my 10mm, and I would stand over the plenum and basically just try to reach under, feel for the bolt, unscrew it, and then pull it out. But yeah, this is what the sensor looks like. That's where it clips in, and this oily part is where it goes into the body of the motor. And then let me pull the other one, and I'll show you what that one looks like too. I got this off of Amazon. It did have pretty bad, not bad reviews. There was some people saying it went out a few weeks. I've had it on for, I want to say 3 weeks, and oh man, black smudge. About 3 weeks, and I just bought some new ones. Supposedly these are much better, and yeah, we'll see. So I'll start it up again when I get the second one off. And another thing that I wanted to mention was you can't really put the wrong sensors in the wrong spot. As you can see, they're made exactly the same way. This is my old one, this is the new one. And each sensor has a different angle, you can say. Like this one, see, it's the shape of like an L, which is the one that's gonna be under the throttle body over there. And then there's another one. This one is actually the crankshaft position sensor. And if I'm getting it wrong, sorry guys, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. This is the crankshaft position sensor, and this one actually goes under the car. It's right next to the oil pan. It kind of looks like these guys, but as you can see, when he lays like that, see, much different. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, so I got the first one back on, and the bolt, which is right here, that's the bolt. The second one, where'd you go? Right there. Let me move that wire out the way. That way you can see it. Okay. That one. That sensor right there. So if you see that weird, this round thing, look to the left of it, right there. That's the sensor. So the 10 mil is actually to the left of that. It's towards the driver's side. But I can get my hand in there, feel the sensor. I thought I could. Oh, there you go. And I can actually get the bolt. Now you're probably wondering, wait, how can you get the bolt with your finger? Isn't it like super tight? I did loosen it already. Here it is. I couldn't use an extender, even this small one right here, this small extender, it was too long. Had to do this. Just feel for it, be very patient, don't get frustrated. I know us car guys, we get frustrated as shit and we start banging and fucking throwing stuff around, and then what do? We lose a bolt and regret it for the rest of our lives. So that bolt is off, and you just gotta feel for it. Okay, I got it right here in my hand, and if I pull, well, wiggle and pull, wiggle. There we go, got it. Oh damn, this one is very dry, like my neighbor that I slept with. Nah, I'm just kidding. Holy shit, this fucking, oh, there we go. All right. So I got it out, and it's hanging right there. That black, look at the green, and then look up. Right there, that black one right there. That's it right there. Like I said, this one's a little harder to get to only because of the lack of space under the throttle body and all that. Let me see if I can get my camera in there. Got it right there. See, that's it. And it's the same as the last one. I'm not even, is this green part, you push and then you pull. Yeah, fuck, I gotta do it with my hands. But yeah, you get the idea. I'll start it up again when I get it out. Alright. Because you're always talking trash about how my car breaks down all the time. Sorry, I can't have a Toyota like you. Anyway, so this sensor, it's the L-shaped sensor. Okay, and now for the third and final, oh shit. Didn't get my fat ass in this fucking, oh. Okay, where was I? Okay, so you have your oil pan here. Okay, I can't really zoom out. I don't know why my phone's so, oh man, I got a nasty oil leak. Okay, so oil pan, you're moving up to your crossbar and boom. So if you're laying, it's behind to the left right there. And this is the easiest one, of course. Blood, what the fuck? Because there's nothing in the way. So unplug or undo the bolt first, and then just undo the bolt first, and then you can pull it and you can replace it. Oh yeah, and this one is different because the plug is like your normal plug with the pressure release. Instead of that push and pull, it's just push the tab and it comes off. Alright. Actually, let's see if I can do this while recording. Okay. So let's get this guy out the way. Let's get this. Remember, everything's a 10. Nissan love using 10. Oh fuck, I'm not even right-handed. I'm using my right hand. Okay, that's loose. Let me get this out right here. So So like I said in the beginning, if you guys are having starting issues, your engine lights on, your TCS lights on, your slip lights on, it could be one of these 3 sensors. There we go. Pretty dry. Look at the new one. This is the new one right here. Just slip it in with no lube, because that's how we roll. That's how us VQ boys roll. Oh, it's in. And then just put that, and once it's in, sorry, dirty ass hands. Oh shit, I'm loosening it, stupid. Once it's in, and plugged, then chances are you fixed your issues. And remember, there's 3 sensors, 2 behind the engine and 1 right down here. Oh, and I think some of you guys will have like a cover that's blocking your crossbar. I bought my car used years ago and it never had a cover, so you might have to remove the cover, which is these bolts. But yeah, that should be it. Oh, get out of the damn car. Yeah. All right. Whew. That should be it. Just plug in your battery and give it a start. Okay, I'm back again. I wasn't gonna end it yet, so I'm not gonna tighten it, only because if something happens, I don't want to have to re-tighten it, loosen it, tighten it, loosen it. Okay, that's pretty good. Get my keys. Alright, so let's see. Oh man, this low pro jack from Harbor Freight, it's the best. Car's a mess. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Started right up. See, so every morning for the past, I don't know, 2-3 days, I would crank it, and that's all you get is now if I were to crank it really long, yeah, it would start, but I would have my traction control light on, I have that off every single time I drive anyway, my check engine light and my slip light. But happy, cool, choo choo.